what we are going to do is introduction to microbiology, page number 2. Word to word I will explain and see whether you understand the words properly. It's very important. I have to go through the lesson slowly because the lesson itself has a long weightage. Around about 5 marks weightage is there, board point of view, and many questions are there which are very important. Today we will begin with yogurt. Students, yogurt आणि कर्ड्स हे दोन वेगवेगळे प्रकार आहेत. कर्ड्स इज दही जे सेमी सॉलिड फॉर्म मध्ये असतं, वेरॅज योगर्ट हे थिक असतं. हा योगर्ट दहीचाच प्रकार असतो पण तो घट्ट असतो आणि दही हे थोडंसं बुळबुळीतपणा असतो त्याला. सो कर्ड्स आणि योगर्ट मध्ये हाच फरक आहे. ओके, पॉइंट नंबर 1. पॉइंट नंबर 2, योगर्ट इज अ मिल्क प्रोडक्ट. लेट मी क्लिअर व्हॉट इज योगर्ट. योगर्ट म्हणजे दहीचा घट्ट प्रकार. घट्ट दहीला योगर्ट म्हणतात. नॉर्मल दही इज कॉल्ड कर्ड्स. द कर्ड्स इन सॉलिड फॉर्म किंवा इन कंडेन्स्ड फॉर्म इज कॉल्ड योगर्ट. फर्स्ट पॉइंट, योगर्ट इज अ मिल्क प्रोडक्ट prepared from the microbe lactobacilli. First point. Second point, to maintain the protein content of yogurt, condensed milk powder is added to milk. So to maintain the protein content, what do we do? Condensed milk powder is added to milk for industrial production of yogurt. Point number 3. Once condensed milk powder is added to milk, milk is heated to a high temperature or boiled, and then it is cooled down to warm temperature. It is not cooled completely, but it is cooled down to a warm temperature. Third point. Fourth point, then bacterial strains of Streptococcus thermophilus, Lactobacilli delbrueckii are added. I'll repeat. Then bacterial strain, थोडेसे bacterial strains घालावे लागतात. Bacterial strains of what content? Bacterial strains of Lactobacilli delbrueckii, Streptococcus thermophilus. I'll repeat the name of the bacteria. Streptococcus thermophilus, comma, Lactobacilli delbrueckii are added. Fifth point, due to which what happens? Lactic acid is secreted. Lactic acid is secreted due to Streptococcus. Lactic acid secreted due to Streptococcus. What does it do? Students, it brings about the condensation of proteins. The protein gel out. बुळबुळीतपणा तयार होतो, which brings about a dense or thick structure to yogurt. Next point, students, acetaldehyde like products are produced due to lactobacilli. delbrueckii, lactobacilli delbrueckii जे आपण ऍड करतो, acetaldehyde like products are formed which bring about a characteristic taste to yogurt. yogurt खायला बरं वाटतं, दही खायला कोणाकोणाला खूप आवडतं. हा, आणि कधी कधी कोणाला तोंडात घ्यायला सुद्धा आवडत नाही. मोस्ट ऑफ द चिल्ड्रन दे लाईक योगर्ट टू अ लार्ज एक्सटेंट. ओके, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, सी व्हॉट हॅपन्स इज द bacteria, we'll put here like this. This is one thing here. Students, nowadays what is done? Various variety of yogurts are formed. Various variety of yogurts are available by adding certain flavors like banana flavor, strawberry flavor and all that to obtain strawberry yogurt, banana yogurt, etc. Next, last point, shelf life of yogurt. Shelf life of yogurt and probiotic properties can be improved by the process of pasteurization. बघा हा, मी परत रिवाइज करते आणि मग some points are there which I will explain. What is yogurt? It is a milk product produced from bacteria lactobacilli. To maintain the protein content, what is done? Condensed milk powder is mixed with milk for industrial production of yogurt. Then milk is boiled to a very high temperature and then cooled warm temperature. Next, bacterial strains of Lactobacilli, Streptococcus thermophilus and Lactobacilli delbrueckii are added. We add bacterial strains of Streptococcus thermophilus and Lactobacilli delbrueckii, due to which what happens? Lactic acid is secreted. Due to Streptococcus added, lactic acid is secreted. Lactic acid, what does it do? It gels out the protein. Gel कसं तयार होतं? Which brings about a dense texture to yogurt. Next, students, acetaldehyde like products are produced due to lactobacilli. They bring about a characteristic taste to yogurt. एक yogurt like छान taste असते. ती taste कशामुळे? It's because of acetaldehyde like compounds are produced due to lactobacilli. Okay. Next, students, nowadays wide varieties of yogurt are available in the market. Maybe in the form of yogurt as strawberry flavored yogurt, banana flavored yogurt and all that. Concentrate on my words now. Shelf life of yogurt can be improved. What is the meaning of shelf life? Tikaupana. Make it use for a very long time without getting spoiled is called as shelf life. So what is the meaning of shelf life here? Keeping the product in a good condition for a very long time. Shelf life and probiotic properties. Now you may ask me, what is probiotic properties? Students, probiotic properties are the conditions which are produced in your intestine, which improve the power of digestion, which is brought about by certain useful microorganisms. So I'll repeat, shelf life and probiotic properties. What is the meaning of probiotic properties? They are the properties which are concerned with healthy microbial growth inside the intestine, which improve the speed of digestion or which make the level of digestion better. They are called as probiotic properties. The shelf life and the probiotic properties can be improved by the process of pasteurization. Let me tell you, pasteurization means heating milk to a very high temperature and suddenly cooling it. That is called pasteurization. So what are the points you are going to remember regarding yogurt? It's a milk product produced by bacteria, lactobacilli. To maintain the protein content, how is it prepared? Condensed milk powder is added to milk for industrial production. Milk is heated to a very high temperature and then cooled to a warm temperature. Bacterial strains of which are added? Streptococcus thermophilus, Lactobacilli delbrueckii are added, due to which lactic acid is produced, which gels out proteins, brings about a dense texture to yogurt. Next part, what else to do? Acetaldehyde like compounds are produced which improve the taste or which bring about a characteristic taste to yogurt. Yogurt of various flavors are available in the market in the form of strawberry yogurt, in the form of banana yogurt. Shelf life म्हणजे टिकाऊपणा, durability. Shelf life and probiotic properties can be improved by pasteurization. What is the meaning of pasteurization? Heating it to a very high temperature and then suddenly cooling it. आपण दूध उकळवतो ना, त्याला pasteurization म्हणतात मुलांना. कळतंय? Simple process. Next milk product is butter. बटर म्हणजे लोणी नव्हे, बटर म्हणजे घट्ट लोणी. लोणी हे घरातलं प्रोडक्ट असतं. ओके, सो व्हॉट इज बटर इज ऑफ टू फॉर्म. समथिंग कॉल्ड एज स्वीट क्रीम बटर, जे घरात तयार होतं लोणी म्हणतो आपण. अँड देन देयर इज कल्चर्ड बटर, जे तुम्ही पाणी हे पावभाजीवर वरती थोडंसं येलो कलरचे अमूल बटर मिळतं ना, ते कल्चर्ड बटर. आणि स्वीट क्रीम बटर जे घरात मम्मी तुमची ताक घुसळताना लोणी जे तयार करतात, दॅट इज स्वीट क्रीम बटर. ठीक आहे. बटर इज ऑफ टू व्हरायटीज, स्वीट क्रीम अँड कल्चर्ड बटर. Sweet cream butter does not require microbes, whereas cultured butter, that is Amul butter, which you take from the market in various varieties you get. मला अमूल स्ट्राईक जर म्हणून तुम्हाला अमूल सांगायला लागले, तुम्ही पावभाजी घेताना तो वरती ते बटर घालता बघा येलो कलरचं, दॅट्स इट. ठीक आहे. सो स्वीट क्रीम बटर अँड कल्चर्ड व्हरायटी ऑफ बटर आर द टू व्हरायटीज. Cultured variety requires microbes. That's it. That is the only information given regarding butter. Third, cheese. Students, you may believe or not, in India there is no such huge demand for cheese. But if you leave India and if you go to the Western countries, cheese is the main diet. Okay, cheese is a main diet. आपल्याला कसं भात ब्रेड, आपल्याकडे कसं भात आणि आमटीवर आपण जोर जास्त लावतो, तसं तिकडे ब्रेड आणि चीजवर लोकांची मेन डाएट आहे ती. They eat it for lunch and all that. Concentrate well now. Cheese is a milk product produced worldwide in large quantities from abundantly available cow's milk. So cheese is produced from where? It is produced from cow's milk. Second, after performing certain chemical and microbiological tests, once cow's milk is available, you perform certain chemical and microbiological tests, and then you add color and some important microbes in the form of Lactobacillus lactis. Then you have Lactobacillus cremoris and Streptococcus. Okay, Thermophilus. I'll repeat, 3 types of bacterial strains are added: Lactobacillus lactis, Lactobacillus thermophilus, and Streptococcus. Lactobacillus lactis, Streptococcus thermophilus. हे दो आणि Lactobacillus cremoris. 3 तरह के variety of bacteria are added. I'll repeat, Lactobacillus lactis, Lactobacillus cremoris, Streptococcus thermophilus. Revision: Lactobacillus lactis, Lactobacillus cremoris, Streptococcus thermophilus are the 3 variety of microbes added for cheese. What happens when these bacteria are added? Yogurt म्हणजे दही turns sour म्हणजे आंबट, and whey is formed. WHEY, whey is formed. What is whey? The water content, that is called whey. The water content is formed. ठीक है? Next, the next process is to remove that water content, which can be utilized for some other purpose. Next is the main work lies to remove that water content. How do we remove it? In the olden days, traditional method was using an enzyme, rennet. Rennet was an enzyme used which was obtained from the alimentary canal of cattle. Students, हे non-veg झालं आणि cattle is a diet of Hindus. Don't consume cattle. Hindus, in our diet we don't consume cattle. Cattle are consumed by some other foreigners or any other communities, but Hindus don't consume cattle. Therefore, what happened? This enzyme rennet was substitution. असं मी म्हणत नाही की Hindus cattle consume करते. There are so many other people who don't use non-veg, who don't use cattle in their non-veg. ठीक है? One thing. So what was done? Then the enzyme protease was used, which is obtained from fungus, to produce vegetarian cheese. Students, vegetarian cheese तयार करण्यासाठी we use the enzyme protease. Next point. What happened? Once the enzyme protease was used, the whey was removed. Whey, once the water content was removed and utilized for further purposes, yogurt turned into solid form, and now that solid yogurt is ready for production of cheese step by step. How? First of all, that solid yogurt is cut into pieces, rubbed, salted, and mixed with some pigments, microbes, and colors, due to which a solid form of cheese is formed. Cheese is cut and kept for ripening. Students, आपल्याकडे लोणचं कसं आपण ठेवतो प्रिझर्व करून, मुरवणं म्हणतो ना आपण, मुरवणं. Your mother doesn't prepare, she cuts lemon or mangoes and instantly she prepares pickles. Pickles take time to get prepared. That is called ripening process. Similarly, cheese is cut and kept for process of ripening. Students, variety बघा. The freshly prepared cheese is hardly 3 months old. That is generally cottage cheese, mozzarella cheese. You might have consumed it also. Mozzarella cheese, cottage cheese are freshly prepared cheese which are prepared which have a lifespan of 3 months, or after once ripening process starts after 3 months, the cheese which is obtained is freshly prepared and it is soft. Example, mozzarella and cottage cheese. Next, 3 to 12 months old cheese is semi-solid. Generally that is called cheddar cheese. Student, cheddar cheese म्हणतात त्याला, which is semi-solid and obtained by ripening cheese for a time period of 3 to 12 months. And from 12 to 18 months, ripening process makes cheese quite hard. And that cheese is one such example of such hard cheese, not very hard, but yes, it's quite hard, which is Parmesan cheese. Students, इथं त्याची एवढा डिमांड नाही आहे. If you go to Western countries, they are very normal components of diet. ठीक है? I'll revise it again. Students, concentrate. Cheese is a milk product produced worldwide, and that also on large scale from abundantly available cow's milk. First point. Second point. After performing certain chemical and microbiological tests, colors and microbes are added to yogurt. Colors and microbes are added to what? Yogurt. Which microbes? Lactobacilli. Lactis, Lactobacilli. Cremoris, Streptococcus thermophilus. These are the microbes added. Due to which what happens? Yogurt turns sour. It turns sour. And now the next step is to remove the whey. I'll repeat the spelling. Whey is W-H-E-Y, which is the watery content on the surface of yogurt. That needs to be removed. Initially, enzyme rennet was used. That enzyme rennet was obtained from where? From the alimentary canal of cattle. So, recently we prepare vegetarian cheese. Instead of using enzyme rennet, now we use enzyme protease to prepare vegetarian cheese, which is obtained from fungus. What happens? Due to that whey is completely eliminated. The yogurt turns solid and now it is ready for the preparation of cheese step by step. How do you prepare? Yogurt is cut into pieces, rubbed, salted and mixed with colors, pigments and microbes. Cheese formed is cut into pieces and kept for ripening. आपण म्हणतो ना लोणचं मुरवायला ठेवतो ना, like that cheese is kept for ripening. The cheese which is 3 months old is soft and freshly prepared. Generally that is the cottage cheese or the mozzarella cheese. The cheese which is 3 to 12 months old, students, that is quite semi-solid, semi-hard, your cheddar cheese. And the cheese which is 12 months to 18 months, म्हणजे 1 ते 1.5 वर्ष ripeningला ठेवलेलं जे cheese असतं, that is quite hard and that is Parmesan cheese. These are the examples of varieties of cheese. Students, I request you properly learn the name of those bacteria, which bacteria is added to cheese, which bacteria is added to yogurt. By heart them, they may come as fill in the blanks. That's it. Okay, students? Yes? Bye for today. Chalo.